In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Zoom waiting room notification sounds. This is especially helpful if you find those alerts distracting during meetings, presentations, or focused work sessions. By adjusting this setting, you can maintain a quieter environment while still managing your meeting effectively. To get started, open your web browser and sign in to your Zoom account through the official website. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Settings section of your account. From there, select the meeting settings and look for the area labeled for In-Meeting Basic Options. Scroll through the available settings until you find the option related to sound notifications when someone joins or leaves. This feature is responsible for the chime you hear when participants enter the meeting or move in and out of the waiting room. To turn off the notification sound, simply switch this setting off. Once disabled, you will no longer hear audio alerts for these actions. In some cases, you may notice additional options that control who hears the sound, such as limiting it to the host or allowing all participants to hear it. Since your goal is to remove the sound entirely, making sure the main toggle is turned off will prevent any notification from playing. It's important to understand that this setting applies to your account and will affect your future meetings, not just a single session. If you don't see this option available, it may be located in a different section, or it could be restricted by an administrator, especially if you're using a work or school account. You can also manage this setting during an active meeting. While hosting, open the Participants panel and look for additional options, often found under a menu icon. From there, you'll find the same sound notification setting. If it's enabled, simply uncheck it to stop the alert sounds immediately without leaving the meeting. Keep in mind that once the sound is turned off, you won't receive audible cues when participants enter the waiting room. Because of this, it's a good idea to occasionally check the Participants panel so you can admit attendees on time. Disabling notification sounds can make a noticeable difference, especially in larger meetings where frequent alerts can become overwhelming. It gives you more control over your environment and helps you stay focused on what matters most during your session. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.